Welcome to Restry Health Channel. In this video, we will talk about drink for loss belly fat in 1 week at home, the causes of the accumulation of belly fat, tips to melt belly fat, and the 60-second test to get a meal plan designed for you to lose weight and have a perfect body. A belly slimming drink in a week removes toxins from the body and dissolves stubborn body fats, especially in the abdomen and buttocks. Thus, it contributes to weight loss. More about this drink, its properties and benefits, and methods of preparing it. To get rid of stubborn belly fat, ginger and lemon juice can be prepared by following the following steps. Ginger and lemon drink. Ingredients: a medium-sized fruit of a lemon, a glass of water, 2 sticks of cinnamon, or 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, or half a teaspoon of ground cumin. How to prepare: cut the lemon into 4 large slices. Then, put the slices of lemon in a small kettle, over low heat, and pour the water. After that, add the other ingredients, stirring. Then, leave the drink aside, until the ingredients are homogeneous. The duration of the drink's stay on the fire varies, depending on the type of ingredients used. If we use ground ingredients, the mixture must be left on the fire until the liquid boils. However, if we use the other form of the ingredients, the liquid should be left on the stove for 2 minutes after reaching the boiling point. Finally, the drink is poured into a glass, and drunk hot after each main meal. Benefits of ginger in dissolving belly fat. Fresh ginger syrup is used to burn belly fat effectively, because it stimulates the digestive process and increases the metabolism. It also enhances the human feeling of satiety, which reduces the desire to eat. The benefits of lemon in dissolving belly fat. Lemons have important benefits in burning fats. Because it clears the body of toxins, it is an excellent antidote to oxidation processes, and it reduces water and fluid retention in the human body. Thus, it relieves flatulence. Studies indicate that abdominal obesity is more dangerous and is responsible for causing various diseases and threatening life safety, especially among women. Causes of accumulation of belly fat. Many causes lead to the accumulation of belly fat in a woman during her life stages, the most prominent of which are: 1. Eat a lot of food. The main reason responsible for the accumulation of belly fat is the intake of large amounts of calories, especially those rich in fats, so that the latter begins to accumulate in areas of the body, and its first stop is the abdominal area. As you continue to eat large amounts of food, the stomach will get used to it, and you do not feel full until after getting this large quantity. Therefore, it is necessary to calculate the number of calories appropriate to the needs of the body, daily, according to the stage of age, weight, and adherence to it. 2. Food choices. Not only the amount of food a woman eats is the reason behind the increase in belly fat, but also the quality of this food, as fatty foods, sugars, processed carbohydrates, and starches, as well as fried foods, help to increase fat, especially its accumulation in the abdominal area. 3. Immobility. Exercising helps increase fat burning. Otherwise, the body will find it difficult to get rid of fat easily, and it begins to accumulate in the stomach area. In this context, it is advisable to exercise daily, especially abdominal exercises, to overcome the accumulation of fat in it. 4. Getting old. The aging stage has an important role in the accumulation of belly fat. As the process of burning fat becomes more difficult as women get older, especially during menopause. This is due to hormonal changes, as with the decrease in the hormone estrogen in the body, the chances of fat gain and accumulation in the abdomen increase. Therefore, it is advised to eat healthy food, while avoiding consuming foods rich in fat, to avoid accumulation in the abdomen. 5. Not sleeping enough hours. Be sure to sleep for long hours at night, as the opposite affects the body's metabolism, and thus the chances of burning fat are diminished. 6. Tension and stress. Stress and stress cause an increase in the production of the hormone cortisol in the body, and this hormone negatively affects the metabolism and burning of fats. Also, some individuals resort to eating a large amount of food when feeling tense and stressed, and they lose the ability to control the amount and type of food. 7. Pregnancy and cesarean delivery. The stage of pregnancy affects a woman's body greatly. The abdomen becomes prominent, and this may continue even after birth, due to the wrong diet during pregnancy. A cesarean delivery increases the chances of a prolapsed abdomen. To prevent belly fat after childbirth, it is advised to follow a healthy diet during pregnancy and to start exercising after childbirth. Breastfeeding is recommended to stimulate the body to lose weight. 8. PCOS. Women with PCOS are more likely to accumulate belly fat as a result of hormonal imbalances. Tips to melt belly fat. Exercising and eating a healthy diet help lose belly fat. To melt belly fat, you must follow some tips: doing exercise, yoga, or walking daily for half an hour. To avoid excessive secretion of the hormone ghrelin that increases appetite, one must ensure that you sleep for enough time, especially at night. Drink enough water to improve metabolism and get rid of toxins from the body. Eat foods that contain whole grains, and replace brown rice with white rice. Finally, I will give you a 60-second test link to get a meal plan designed for you to lose weight and get fit in the description below the video. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the alerts button, watch more health videos on our channel, and share this video with your friends to provide benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.